Chào tất cả các bạn. Món Ấn là một trong những món ăn du nhập rất sớm đến Singapore. Thì hôm nay Ben sẽ giới thiệu mọi người đến một món Ấn. Và điều đặc biệt ngày hôm nay Ben có mời một anh đầu bếp đang làm việc tại Marina Bay Sands, cũng là bạn của Ben. Anh sẽ dẫn mình đi thưởng thức món Ấn. Bây giờ mình đến điểm hẹn để xem anh ấy dẫn mình đi đâu nha.
Hey,
Hi chef.
how are you, Ben?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
Yeah. Chef.
Yes.
Đây là chef Binaki. Anh ấy là bạn làm việc của Ben. Chef, today I want to try some Indian food.
Very good.
Yes. Can you show me where the best Indian food in Singapore?
Yes. We will go to, I think we will go to Banana Leaf Apolo.
Yes.
They are a very old restaurant and very famous for their fish head curry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Where we go? Okay. This place?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Look nice. Yeah. Oh, that's good restaurant. I can smell Indian food. I can smell the spice. Yeah. Look very nice. Chef, can you show me some Indian food?
Yeah. They're very famous for their Indian food.
Yeah.
They have the fried fish, the mutton masala, but the food, the naan, the biryani.
Yeah.
But the food that they're very famous for is the fish head curry.
Yeah, I must try.
Yeah, you must try the fish head curry. Like,
Yeah, crab. Yeah. Look good.
a lot of things.
Look good. Look good.
Very nice.
Yes. Then
You want to try the fish head curry?
Yeah, I must try.
Okay.
Okay, we take the this. This one you see?
Where you want?
How is this? The menu look very rich.
Yeah, they have South Indian food, they have North Indian food, they have the naan, and their signature food is also the fish head curry.
Yeah, before you told me this restaurant very famous, but why it's become very famous in Singapore?
Because first they used to sell only curries.
Yes.
But the local Chinese people and all the local Singaporeans did not come here.
Yeah.
So they tried to combine, because the Chinese people, they like to have the fish head. So they combine the fish head and their curry.
Yes.
And they try to see if people like it. And with the vegetables and the fish head, it became a very famous, became a hit.
Yeah.
And a lot of people, the local people, came to eat the fish head curry and make this place very famous.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's to try.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
try.
Can you help me order?
Yeah. Salia, we want to try your fish head curry because I know it's a very famous. Your restaurant is very famous for that. So we'd like to order the fish head curry, the Apollo fish head curry. And what do you recommend with it? Rice or
rice.
Rice? You must have it with rice.
Yes, I want to try.
You want to try?
Yeah, thank you.
Rice or plain rice?
You suggest biryani rice?
Yeah, it's like a saffron rice.
Okay. So we'll have the fish head curry, a small portion, and one biryani rice.
Sure.
Thank you.
Any drinks?
I'll bring some.
I want some Indian tea.
Indian tea.
Yeah.
Masala
But
tea.
here, lime juice is the famous one here.
Okay, so we'll have
Can you
tea.
try?
Yes, one Indian tea and one lime juice. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Khi mình ăn ở đây thì các bạn thấy không, thì có người tới phục vụ sốt nóng cho mình luôn. What is this, chef?
It's long beans,
Yes,
and this one is the cabbage.
cabbage and long beans.
Yeah,
Ah.
this is the famous papadum.
Yeah. Thì đây là cà ri bắp cải. Còn cái này
Got
là
mustard seed and curry leaf.
yeah. Còn đây thì món đậu que, cà ri đậu que. Còn cái món này rất là nổi tiếng của Ấn Độ. Đó là dạng như là bánh phồng tôm của mình vậy đó. Nó rất là giòn. Say good, right?
The biryani rice, the flavored with saffron and spices.
Yeah. Wow, look good. Thank you. Đây là món cà ri đầu cá, nhìn hấp dẫn quá các bạn ha. What fish, chef?
Usually red snapper. This is the red snapper.
Yeah.
We got the spices, we got the vegetables.
Oh, looks so nice.
That's big fish.
Oh my God. Whew.
Let's try with the vegetables, the okra.
Yes. Thank you, chef.
And some eggplant also. And they give some pineapple to
Okay.
get the spice. I will also get some.
Okay, now I try first, huh? Bây giờ Ben sẽ thử món ăn này nha, xem thử như thế nào.
Is it nice?
It's so amazing. I can feel it. It's really nice.
The cinnamon, you get the cinnamon.
I get the cinnamon, star anise. I get the spicy, and it's very tasty.
Yes.
I like this food. Yeah. The dish is very nice with rice. How they cook the rice?
They cook it with spices and saffron, and then they put it. It's in Indian food. It's called dum.
Yeah.
Biryani they make in dum. They cover and put heat from both sides. It's like an oven effect.
Yes. So that's why it looks
all
very
the
nice.
spices go inside the rice.
Yeah.
Makes it very, very, very tasty.
Yeah, very tasty. Ben cảm nhận món ăn này nó có một vị chua, vị cay và nó có mùi thơm rất là đặc biệt. Nhưng so với khẩu vị của người Việt Nam thì có vẻ sẽ hơi nồng về gia vị. Nhưng Ben sẽ hướng dẫn bạn cách làm món này theo cách của Ben.
So Ben, how was it? Good?
Yeah, the fish curry really nice. I really like this. It's so nice. Thank you for recommending.
I'm glad you enjoyed.
Okay, so good, chef. Yeah, do you want to say something with Vietnamese people?
I hope the people from Vietnam can come to Singapore and enjoy the fish head curry, because I know people of Vietnam enjoy fish, and come to Apolo Banana Leaf restaurant for the best fish head curry in Singapore. Chào tạm biệt.